Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Revelers were left disappointed as Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett announced over the weekend that Carnival in Jamaica organizers will forego its annual road march and related activities until April next year. The decision to postpone this year's staging was made after consultations with event organizers and members of the government and in keeping with COVID-19 containment measures. Director of Bacchanal Jamaica Michael Lamar spoke with E-Prime on the postponement of Carnival 2020.
Our team is extremely disappointed in the further postponement of Carnival in Jamaica. However, based on the current health situation in Jamaica and the markets of our overseas customers, there would be no other prudent decision to make, and so we wholeheartedly endorse the decision by the Ministry of Health and Tourism to postpone Carnival in Jamaica till April 2021.
The Carnival Road Parade, originally scheduled for Sunday, April 19, was first postponed to Sunday, October 25 due to the threat of the spread of COVID-19. Now, in a statement issued by the Carnival bands on Friday, it states that all fetes will honor all tickets and costumes purchased for this year for next year's staging.
The Bacchanal team will be pulling out all the stops to make Carnival 2021 the best carnival ever, and thank our loyal supporters for their understanding.
Hold on to your tickets. Now, Fame Frequency Ladies' Night was a big hit on Saturday. The virtual event had partygoers dressed pretty in pink as they logged in their numbers on Zoom and across our frequency airwaves on RETV, TVJ, Radio Jamaica and Hits 92 FM. Fame Frequency The Ladies' Night featured DJs Kevin, Denvo, Roderick and Donovan Dakers.
Hold them, Jenny, hold them, hold them, hold them.
I can touch the sky. I know that I'm alive.
Jam Dynamites, who added the X to this show.
It was all about the ladies. They came out on Zoom, they came out on RETV, they were on TVJ's platform, and listen, it was a party. Ladies' night, never normal, right?
Fame Frequency Ladies' Night up a notch once again. I don't know which Fame Frequency is my best one. This one is my best one to date. It was refreshing, but the music nice souls. Oh gosh, man. Fame Frequency off the hook. Ladies' Night, I hope you guys enjoy. No, you didn't enjoy yourself. I see the Zooms.
That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.